Did you know if you combine a Claude skill with Seedance 2.0, you get these hyper-realistic AI UGC videos that look like actual UGC, not that plasticky looking AI stuff that we all are seeing from other videos.
No freaking way! My Italian husband bet me $100 I couldn't tell the difference between his fancy bottle and boxed wine.
Okay, so step one is we're gonna go to the link in the description down below and you're gonna download the Claude skill that I created. Then you're gonna go to Claude on desktop and you're going to click the three lines on the side chat, go to customize, skills, plus create skill, upload skill, and you're going to drag in the zip file that I provided for you. And you're gonna see once it's installed, we have a Seedance 2.0 UGC ad director with all these rules that it's gonna follow. And if you wanna give this a try immediately, you can just click these three dots and click try in chat. But in general, if you wanna just access it, you click /Seedance and you do that. Now, what we're gonna be doing is actually giving it one of our scripts that we have for a UGC video. We're gonna treat Seedance 2.0 like an actual UGC creator. I'm going to just very simply upload this UGC script and make sure you're on Opus 4.7. You know this is working when it's doing reading Seedance 2.0 add skill director to understand structure. It needs to do that. If it's not doing that and it's just giving you an output, it's wrong. You need to try again. Now, if you watched my last video, I talked about how you need to use creators referenced from Pinterest to lock in that realistic result. So what it's going to do is give you links for this specific UGC video where you can click on it and it's going to open Pinterest for you to find creators and lock in that format, that style. So for this specific script, you can see it's a video where somebody is doing a taste test and it's a challenge. So you can see if you read this, it tells you what to pick. Only use clean photos, no emojis, no watermarks, nothing, okay? So first we're gonna go through all of these and we're gonna find what our creator is gonna look like. So we're basically thinking like a director and we're thinking, cool, let's find somebody who's gonna be our creator. Like this girl looks pretty good. Actually, I think the best one is gonna be someone like this. And you can see this is shot on an iPhone. You can see the ray of light here. You can see the quality of everything. We wanna lock in this style. And the thing about Pinterest is when you click on an image and you scroll down, it gives you other suggestions of similar ones. So I've decided to go with this one here. And I'm gonna click save image as, and I'm gonna save the name as creator. You have to be very organized with it. You can see there's 4 scenes, and if we scroll down, there's segment 104, 204, 304, and 404 because there's a 15-second limit on Seedance. For the first one, I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna find a reference for the location. For example, this is perfect. Now I'm gonna click this, save it, and do kitchen counter reference. And for the $100 bill slapped on kitchen counter, because it's following our script, I'm gonna do something like this, $100 bill. Cool, we're now gonna head into Max Fusion and we're going to go to videos. We're gonna do Seedance 2.0 and you can see here you can upload up to 9 images for reference. So I'm gonna click this, upload image, I'm gonna upload our creator, kitchen counter reference, $100 bill. Click copy here. I'm gonna paste it. Inside Seedance in Max Fusion, you can reference specific images with an @ sign. iPhone handheld UGC video, at image 1, this one is the creator. That's correct. One thing as well, if you wanna put the product image in here, like maybe have it on the counter on the side, I can go and find an image of the product and somewhere here I can say we have the boxed wine from at, and I can reference it. The last thing I wanna do is make sure this is 15 seconds and 720p. We don't want it to look too high definition. And now we're gonna hit generate and let it roll. Everyone in my school community got access to the Claude skill days earlier, and they're also in here learning how to make different concepts like the claymation style, talking object style, and we also have new styles coming out like the rapper style.
Your cologne's fire, but it's dead by noon. What if one thing made it last the whole night through?
So if you want to be around 285 other e-com brand owners and have me roast your ads every single week, click the link down below and I'll see you in the school community. All right, now after waiting, here's what we have.
Okay, so my Italian husband just bet me $100 I can't tell the difference between his fancy bottle wine and boxed wine.
So actually it worked. It didn't work exactly how he wanted it, but we have a very realistic iPhone looking shot. And here's the attempt to
Okay, so my Italian husband just bet me $100. I can't tell the difference between his fancy bottle wine and boxed wine.
I mean, it looks fantastic. And we did this a lot of different times, different examples.
My Italian husband bet me $100. I couldn't tell the difference between his fancy bottle and boxed wine.
And if I just show you what we used for this, it was literally just the images that we got from Pinterest. All right, with all those changes, let's see how this turned out.
Okay, so my Italian husband just bet me $100. I can't tell the difference between his...
So what you do next is for the next part of the video, you'll go down to segment 2 or 4 where she's tasting the videos. But the thing is, we need to use the same consistency throughout. So inside Max Fusion, I just go to extract frame and I go to drag a shot here. I'm going to do send to save images. Can go to Seedance 2.0 references, select image. I click this image and that's basically the creator that we're starting with. And then I can go here, I can copy and paste. And this image 1 is the creator, same person, slightly closer media shot. She leans forward to take sips of the wine. All right, let's see the shot.
Yeah, it's fine.
Nice.
Not sure, it's very dry and strong.
Let me just finally show you final ad look like.
No freaking way! My Italian husband just bet me $100. I can't tell the difference between his fancy bottle wine and boxed wine. So we're doing this. Yeah, it's fine. Not sure, it's very dry and strong. Ooh, I like this one. Ooh, this one is also good. No, absolutely not that one. I love number 3, that's my favorite, and number 4.
Number 3 is boxed wine, and number 4 is a 150 bottle of wine.
No freaking way!
That's it. Enjoy, have fun, make some cool stuff.